Good morning, school. Welcome to AKS Remote Learning News on Tuesday the 5th of May with myself, Alan McKeown. Now obviously schools are closed at the moment, but this has not stopped some absolutely great learning going on at home. Reports are coming in from Mr Downey and Mrs Arnold with regards to the quality of work being taken place with their Year 12 biology class. They've been very, very impressed. And also, indeed, Mr Donovan in Year 10, particularly impressed with his Year 10 RS GCSE class. The work ethic and positivity to debate, to progress and achieve has been outstanding. And further reports have come in from Mr Rudd, and he's referring here to his Year 7 maths group, who he thinks have been fantastic, helping each other out, especially on the comments part of teams. And special mention must go to Sammy Curran, who's taken on his technical advisor role. Mr Carlishaw also writes with regards to his Year 9G and 9L history class, great enthusiasm, and they've produced some top quality work. Well done. And welcome back. Oh, sorry, just some breaking news. I'm just getting some breaking news here, and we're going to go straight over to our arts correspondent, Mr Phil Hayden from the art department.
Thank you, Alan, and welcome to the art department here at AKS. Now, we're delighted to say that despite the absence of pupils on site, the learning goes on. We've seen on Twitter a range of amazing artworks, including a triptych of trainers by Charlotte in Year 13 as part of her A-level work. We've seen a smartphone work from Summer in Year 9. We've seen a competition to create album or artwork copies and a range of entries from Ewan, Emma, Anna among them. We've also seen Pippa in Year 9 with her Sign of Hope Pebbles project, which you may see decorating the seafront around the local area as a tribute to the NHS. Now, like a lot of you, I'm using some time over quarantine to develop new skills and new hobbies. So I've been spending some time working on a portrait of Mr McKeown. Here is Mr McKeown, my model, and I hope to not only capture what he looks like, but also his personality. Think of it, it's a portrait in oils, which I like to think of as a comment on 21st century attitudes and also globalisation.
Thanks for that, Phil. Great to see the co-curricular life and participation of pupils is as strong as ever. And now over to our roving sports reporter, Mr Phil Hayden from the Sports Hall.
Thank you, Jeff. Now, remarkable scenes here at the AKS Sports Hall. You will have seen the AKS Sports newsletter which has gone out, which lists all the various achievements that are going on throughout the school whilst in quarantine. The rugby challenges on Twitter go on apace, with Noah, Sammy and Toby and others all showing their skills. The senior boys rugby squad have been circulating their fitness expectations in preparation for a big season next season, culminating in the South Africa Rugby Tour. We've also had a series of challenges and videos from the hockey girls outlining their skills. Alan, that's it from me. Back to you in the studio.
And more news, and indeed, Miss Johnson reports that she's been particularly impressed again with her Year 9 class. The work has been excellent, so the written work especially, and most notably concerning a project where they needed to plan an AKS production of The Crucible. And finally, some very, very interesting news taking place in form time. Mr Costellis has taken over 7K, and something that's gone down very well with that particular form is Bring Your Pet to Form Time event. Hope that works out well, Mr Costellis. Thank you. I'm going to go live to our music and performing arts correspondent, Mr Phil Hayden from the music department.
And it's a warm welcome to the music department. So the music and performing arts department are keeping themselves very busy over the last few weeks. We've seen a series of cover challenges, the most recent being a superb rendition of Over the Rainbow, which you can find on the music department's Instagram, and also 8:15 with their latest version. We've also seen a series of lockdown challenges from the drum department. Alan, it's back to you in the studio.
And now over to Alan with the weather. Hello there, and now for today's weather. Now we're very, very fortunate that we've got a major high pressure sitting over the Fylde coast and indeed the whole of the northwest of England. So we're expecting some decent temperatures this week, certainly through till midweek and into the bank holiday. And we've even got a full sun here down in Lytham St Anne's. Now obviously it would be great if you can get outside and enjoy a bit of that sun in the garden, but obviously we're not going to be travelling anywhere in our cars for the foreseeable future. So it's so good that we've got this lovely weather in and around the Fylde coast. Special mention must go to all our Year 11 and Year 13 pupils. Particularly tough time for them, but the determination, commitment you've shown to your studies has been greatly appreciated. Well done all. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We do hope you have a good day.